Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to insert your title of your person that you played for your Living Museum. So it's very simple. We're going to use word art. What you're going to do is go up here to the insert, and you're going to hit insert, and you're going to go down to word art. To do that, this box will pop up. That's great. So then I'm going to type in Michael Jordan. You would type in your character. And there's nothing fancy with this box. You just hit return. Boom. And then you're going to move them up a little bit just like so. Now we can deck it out. It's kind of plain. I want to change the color. He played for the Bulls, so I'm going to go up to the paint bucket, make sure this box is highlighted, and it is. And it's on blue. I'm going to go to red, and I'm going to go to the line color is black. I could make it any color I wanted. There's light blue. I want to keep it black. And then the weight of the line is important too. 8 is going to be way too thick, as you can kind of see there. There we go. 1 is too thin, so I like to do about 3. And there we have it. I just inserted word art. I can play around with this even more and put a background to it. If I go to my shape button right here and hit shapes, and we'll be talking about this later in a different video. And I can see all my options. I kind of like this call out right here. Probably this one right here. And now I have to draw it. I selected it, so I have to draw it. So you can kind of see it going in that little blue. I'm going to try to make it. There we go. Don't worry about this. This isn't a big deal. I can't see my words, and that's fine. How I get to do that is I highlight Michael Jordan again, and right now it's sent to the back because I did it first. So I'm going to arrange that, and I'm going to go to the order, and I'm going to bring this to the front. And now you'll notice that when I do that, you can kind of see, maybe make this a little smaller so it fits in there. See, I'm doing a whole bunch of things right now to it. And that looks good for me. So I can change the color of this real quick to, right now it's set on that blue again. I'll change it to, we'll just change it to orange, because the basketball is orange, right? Well, that might not look good. I'm just going to go yellow. And again, I can do the same thing with that weight. I like it black. I like outlining things in black. So I can make my line dashy if I want to. You're going to see. And I can still make it thick. That's kind of a different look. So that's kind of how you can play around with your title a little bit. I'm also going to use my name, insert word art again, and I'll do that with my name so I know it's by me. Again, I hit enter, and that's way too big. It's a subheading, so I'd probably make it a lot smaller. And you can kind of see how we're doing that. And it's still probably too big for my liking. But right now, right there, it looks okay, but I don't like that blue, so I might go backwards. I might make that black, and I might make that red, and then go back to the 3 point. Oh, that's probably a little too thick for that. And I can make it dashy again. Oh, I like the solid on that one. If I wanted to, I could, again, use a shape and just make it pop a little bit more. I would probably just use this real simple box. And remember what I'm going to do? This is going to cover it, right? I'm going to move it down. I'm going to make sure my name's highlighted and go to arrange, go to order, bring to the front, and you can just see right there how that changes things a little bit better for us. Perfect. Again, I don't like that color, so I'm going to change it maybe just to a fun, what goes good with, maybe just a, no, that's, see, this is all about trial and error. Either it looks good or, you can just kind of play around with it. Again, that weight of that line maybe needs to be a little bit thicker, so I'll bring that up to maybe a 3. All right, we'll do more in a little bit.